We are pleased to show you the 2010 Tribute. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Rugged enough for the weekend, yet functional for day-to-day, the Mazda Tribute is the answer to the SUV value versatility equation. With its good looks, impressive power, notable fuel economy, and a smooth ride, any way you figure it, the Tribute adds up in your favor. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.